What is going on, guys? It's the Stock Guru coming back at you, and today I'm going to go over something a little different. I'm going to be talking about how you can use the Fibonacci to your advantage on the crude oil and natural gas report. So today we're going to look at the crude oil report, and obviously had this big move, and this can be a measured move if we use the Fibonacci. So let's go ahead and open up DWT here, which is the inverse ETF for crude oil. Okay, now we see this big move, so let's open up the Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci retracement tool, and we're going to take this from the very bottom to the tippy top, right? Good enough. Let me just switch back to my regular tool. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a bit here. Okay, so now obviously this move had a giant spike up and it started going back down. If this isn't going to work if this has a giant spike up and continues going up. This is for a retracement. That's why it's the Fibonacci retracement tool. So the concept here is when a move recovers around 50%, if it can't come back from that, then it's going to be a downward trend. But if it can recover from a 50% pullback, then it's going to be an upward trend. So it's not always exact. It's not right at 50%. So let's break down today's move. So we have it come down to this 50% line, and it acts as a support here, bounces back up, and it actually comes back down and breaks below it. Now this is pretty much the point of no return, the 61% mark, 62% mark. But as we can see here, it dips below, and this is a 1 minute candle, and it immediately comes back up and finds support at that, comes back up, breaks through the halfway point, comes up to the breaking the next line, and comes back down, finding support. And now you can buy in at this point if you'd like. You can really buy in once you have confirmation that it's an uptrend after the major move in the retracement. So you could buy in past the 50% part, but it's a little bit safer to see a little support. So let's say you get in around here. This single move right here could be about 1.5%, and that's only about, I don't know, 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. So that's not bad, but also if we zoom out a bit, and what I say, we get in like right here. Look at this move. It continues up, so we could end up getting over 4% on this move. Let's see. Almost 5%. I mean, if you get the very top, which is unlikely, you can get 5%, but that's a fantastic move. And this is all just using the Fibonacci retracement on a big move like this. And this will work on not just the crude oil report, not just reports, any really major moves this will work on. And without the lines, let me just break it down. That's a 50%. So from this to this, it's what, 6.6%. So basically the range we're going to look for here is the 3.3%. I mean, I'm looking at the percentage. So you can do the dollar value or anything. The Fibonacci breaks it down and automatically does it. But if you want to do it by hand, so we can go back down to 3.3, and we can see it's a support here at the 3.3%, and then it breaks back down and comes back up. So I mean, it's a lot easier to use the Fibonacci, but it's basically the halfway point is where you're looking at. But yeah, that's how you can possibly make a little move if you make a little money if you can see a big move like this and a bit of a retracement, decide that what direction it's going to go in, and it's vice versa too. So if it was to keep breaking below here, this would basically be the point of no return, like I said, and we could know it's a downtrend and maybe switch over to the inverse ETF, which in this case would be UWT. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna try to start making more here. I'm really busy, but you know, I'm trying to get some content out on there. But if you guys want to check out my Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow on that. It's the.guru, the with THA. You know, the OG TAG is taken, so you know we're doing what we can. But yeah, give me a follow on Instagram if you guys like. You might even find me from my Instagram, so give me a subscribe if that's the case. You know, show a little support out here. And yeah, drop a like if you guys like this video. Maybe I'm definitely trying to make some more regardless. But you know, let me know if you guys like it. So yeah, I'm out.